Breadboard is a board made to facilitate the assembly of electrical circuits and can be used to test circuits without the need to solder the components in a printed circuit board. It makes it easy to do changes in the circuit, and it works in a very simple way. There are the terminal strips which are connected to each other horizontally, as shown in orange, and there are the power rails which are connected together vertically, which are being shown in green. The connections in the lines are made through metal contacts. These metal contacts serve both to hold the components and to make the electrical connection between the components. There is also spacing in the board to facilitate the connection of integrated circuits, as can be seen if this IC. For a better understanding, let's create an example whose objective is to power on an LED. First, we place a voltage source, which is a battery, connected to the power rails, then an LED connecting two terminal strips, and then a resistor and then jumper, then connecting the terminal strips to the power rails. In this way, energy flow from the positive pole of the battery to a power rail, and then to the resistor, which will then go to the terminal strip, passing through the LED, then passing to the other terminal strip, reaching the jumper, where energy is passed to another power rail, and then finally return to the battery pole of the positive polarity, thus closing the circuit.